Well, hello loyalty watchers, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I have another glamorous DIY for you guys. This DIY, you guys, is absolutely stunning and it makes a perfect centerpiece for your sweetheart table this Valentine's Day. So the majority of these items, you guys, are purchased from the Dollar Tree, and here I am going to share with you what items you will be needing to create this DIY. So I am just going to share them with you right here visually, but I will leave a detailed list of what you will need and where you can find them in the description box below. So if you're looking to recreate this DIY, be sure to check that description box, you guys, okay? I also want to take a moment to invite anyone who is a watcher or who is just passing by and you're new to the channel. Please take a second and click the subscribe button down below and join us here at Hanna Watkins TV. We will be so happy to have you guys. And not only that, make sure that your subscription bell, your notification bell that is turned to the all position so that you're notified of all new uploads. Okay, so now that we have all of the logistics out the way, you guys, let's go ahead and get started creating this fabulous piece. Alright, you guys, so we're going to get started with making this little vase glamorous, and we're going to do that by adding some bling to it. Okay, so what I did do is remove the little red ribbon. It was a little sheer red ribbon that comes on here. Now totally you can leave it there and add bling on top of it, or just remove it, or just leave it and don't add any bling. Totally up to you guys. However, I did remove it and I'm going to replace it with a 2-strand strip of bling, and I'm just going to adhere it around the little net portion with a little dab of hot glue, and then I am going to continually bedazzle this little vase. Now I'm going to take my permanent glue and I'm going to add just a little bit of it around the top rim of the vase, and I'm going to leave some space for me to add my hot glue also up there. I don't like to put the two together. I like to just have them coincide side by side because it seems to adhere a lot better that way. So now I'm going to hit it with the hot glue, and then I'm going to secure it down to that clear glass plate that you see right there behind the vase, and I'm going to use that plate as the base for this decor piece. Alright, so I am taking my second vase, and this is the little ribbon, you guys, I was talking about, and I'm just going to do like I did the first time. I'm going to remove it and replace it with some bling, and then I'm going to attach them together just like this, bottom sides touching, and I am going to adhere the middle piece with some hot glue and some permanent glue. Now to hide the little joining mark, you know, any extra glue or anything like that, I decided to take some bling and wrap it around the joint section where the two meet, and it seems to work out very nicely. And not only that, it glams it up even more. So I'm going to cut out a couple of strands, and then I'm going to glue it down around the center as well. Okay, watchers, as you can see already, this piece is coming out very nicely. Now I want to ask you guys to take a quick second and look at that beautiful wine glass that is right here to the left of you. It is a custom made glass of mine that I do create and will be selling very soon. I will be having a website sharing where you can purchase custom made gifts from me, customized glasses and some of my DIYs as well, you guys. So if you're ever in need of anything, I will have it for you. Okay, now that information is not readily available yet, but as soon as I get it all squared away, I will definitely be sharing it with you guys, so do be on the lookout. Now back to the DIY. I am taking the glass candle holder and some of the red beads and pretty much just gluing it around the top portion of the candle holder, and then I'm going to flip it over and glue more red beads to the bottom portion. And then after that, I will be adding some bling to heighten the look of this glass piece, you guys. Now totally optional. You create this piece any kind of way that you want, but this is the way that I did it, and I absolutely love the way that it looked. Now before I attach that globe, I want to go ahead and decorate my little hearts a little bit more. I think it needs more bling. So here we go. I'm going to add bling down to the sides of both sides of this piece. Definitely adding the look, adding more glam to the look. And yes, I absolutely think it was a great idea. So you guys out there who do not like a lot of bling, you don't have to do this step if you don't want to. However, I think it really makes the entire look pop. So it's user's discretion, basically, whatever you decide. And you see, I use this adhesive rhinestones, you guys. I found them from the Dollar Tree, and I decided to outline the shape of this vase with it to make more of a pronounced heart shape, just like what you see right there in the back. And I love the idea because it definitely makes that vase pop. And remember, I said I was looking to make it pop and draw your eyes to it, and I think I did achieve that. Now using this geometric mirror here, could be found at the Dollar Tree, I am just going to put some glue on the edge of it and outline it with 2-strand bling. And I'm going to use this as my top, you guys. So you're going to see me secure this to the top of this vase, and I'm going to use hot glue and permanent glue to do so. Now I decided to wait before I added my top. I wanted to make my little globe piece a little bit more glamorous, and I'm doing that by adding more bling, and I try to make it decorative with a little design. So I just kind of glued it on at a slant. I did about 4 pieces, I do believe, and it turned out really nice, and this is what it looks like. I am just going to add these link gems to the sides to give it more of a elegant look, you guys. Simply adding it with some hot glue underneath the top portion. Alright, so I'm going to adhere my round candle holder to the top of this mirror. And I'm just using some hot glue and a little bit of permanent glue, you guys. I added on there so you make sure it don't go anywhere. And then I'm going to take these little clear gems here. They're like acrylic gems from Hobby Lobby. They're like glass fillers, and we're going to use them for exactly what they're meant for. We're going to fill this glass up a little bit, and then I'm going to add my floating candle to it, and then off camera I will be adding some water, but I'm going to share with you guys how it all looks. It is super beautiful, you guys. This is such a elegant little piece, and I'm not saying it just because I crafted it, but I'm saying it because it is so gorgeous. It really is. So I hope I have inspired you guys once again, and if I did, then please be so kind to give me a thumbs up, share the video, and tell me what you like about it down in the comment section. I love you guys so very much, and I appreciate all of your time, all of your support. It means the world to me. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.